Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Windows cannot start VGC on your local computer. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to go to Task Manager, then on Task Manager and all the tasks related to Riot Client, Valorant or League of Legends, depending on what game you are playing. Right? Should be no tasks. Then what you need to do here, you just need to look for Vanguard installed. First go to installed apps, and then look for Vanguard here, and then uninstall it, right? And then wait until an installation process is done, right? And after an installation process is done, what you need to do here is to look for Riot Client, and then we need to wait for a couple of seconds until Riot Client loads up, and then I will show you what you need to do next. Then you just need to click on Valorant or League of Legends, it really doesn't matter, and then install Vanguard and make sure that Vanguard is installed. And as you can see here, it also will take a couple of seconds. And after Vanguard is installed, restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, again, open up Task Manager. On Task Manager, go to Startup Apps, make sure VG Tray is enabled. Then go to Services. On Services, click on one of the tasks here and press V until you see VGC. Right click on it, Properties, make sure Startup Type is automatic, and make sure Server Status is running here. And then we need to wait for a couple of seconds until it's done. Apply, okay. Then go to here, go to System Configuration. And then here you just need to go to Services, hide all Microsoft services, make sure VGC is enabled here. And then you should able to play the game. So now I'm trying to run Valorant, and as you can see here, it's loading up. So yeah, as you can see here, my game is running. Do not pay attention of the skewed resolution because I use stretched, but nevertheless, as you can see here, the game is running. So yeah, that's basically it.